So, the last video for today is word problems. For this word problem, it says, if you bought $18 of gasoline at $1.20 per gallon, how many gallons did you buy? Okay, so when I go to solve my problem, I'm going to do 18.00 divided by 120. Move my decimal over twice, move it over twice here, and move it up. 120 goes into 180 one time, minus 120, that gives me 60, bring down the 0, 600. 120 goes into 600 5 times, minus 600 gives me 0, so 15 gallons is my final answer for this problem. For number 2, it asks me, Miss C made a total of 64 cookies, but it took her 4.2 hours. How many cookies did she make per hour? So in this case, I'm going to say, okay, she made 64 cookies total, put 0, and it took her 4.2 hours. I'm going to move the decimal place over once there, move it once over here, and then move it right on up. 42 goes into 64 one time, minus 42 gives us 220. When I have 42, I figure out how many times it goes into 220. I know that 42 goes into 220 5 times, so 42 times 5, let's do some math, is going to be 1021. So 210. That's going to give me 1 0. I'm going to add another 0 here and bring it down. So 42, we need to figure out how many times that goes into 100. 42 goes into 100 2 times. That's going to be minus 84. Make that into 10, 9, 0. And then that gives me 1, 6. Add another 0. Bring it down. It's really important to write in columns so we can do the math much more easily. So 15.2, I figure out how many times 42 goes into 160. Pretty sure it's going to be 3. Let's check it out. 42 times 3 is equal to 6. 126. Good. So 2, 3, 10, 5. 10 minus 6 gives me 4. 5 minus 2 gives me 3. 340. I know that 42 goes into 340 8 times. Let me double check the math. 42 times 8. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. 33. Yep, that looks right. However, now that I'm looking up here, I'm really tired of doing all long division. So 15.238 is a great answer. So I made approximately 15.238 cookies per hour. And that is my final answer.